it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a new set of videos I think I'm going to do kind of in this month, maybe next month, testing out the makeup that I got for Christmas. Okay, so if you watch my what I got for Christmas video, you'll know I got a lot of makeup products for Christmas. And a lot of those products I haven't actually tried. So I thought it might be nice to kind of do a set of videos where I test out the makeup that I got. Now I'm not saying that I'll test out everything I got because I mean I got a lovely Benefit set from my mum and she got me some mascaras from Benefit. But the thing is, I think I've kind of done those to death in the videos. I know you all know that I love Benefit mascaras because I go on about them quite regularly. I do apologise. And obviously the Hula was in my makeup favourites video and things. So maybe not like those gifts, but I've got a fantastic Jaclyn Hill palette I can try out. I know that's obviously been done lots on YouTube, but you know, I haven't had a play with it yet and I'm really excited to do so. And you know, you guys who haven't actually seen anything about that might like to watch it, or if you have, maybe you just want to know my opinion on it. I've got some fantastic Colourpop Super Shock shadows. It's a mouthful, that one. I've got a butter bronzer from Physicians Formula and a whole plethora of stuff. My sister got me some Nip and Fab things. I've got some Makeup Revolution products that I haven't used before. So a lot of stuff that we can maybe go through. So maybe I just thought I'd focus on one product per video. Anyway, today I'm going to start quite easy. I haven't got any lipstick on, so I thought this would be a good chance to use this set that my sister got me, which is the Revolution new and improved Retro Luxe matte lip kit, and it's in the colour Peach Charming. And in here we have a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. So I thought we would try this today. I'm going to move you guys in closer so you can see, and basically I'm just going to give this a little try and let you guys know what I think of it. Anyway, I'm going to move you in closer and I am going to try this out. Hi, so here we are a lot closer. Before I try out the Retro Luxe lips kit, what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use a couple of other products first, and I'm going to use the Wunder 2, can you see it? Wunder 2 lip scrub that I got in a Birchbox, and I'm also going to use, I always forget to use this, Revolution Pro did a prime and perfect, so like a primer for lips, so it fills in any little like crevices and things and it makes your lips like smooth and moisturised, ready for lip stuff to go onto. We will start with the Wonder Kiss, which I have actually been using. I think it's a little discoloured from lipstick, but as you can see, it's like, it winds up and it's like a scrub. So you basically just scrub it onto your lips. So we're going to do that now. I have been using a Barry M1 previously, but I really like this. It's super easy to do. The Barry M1 is in a little tub, so you have to like scoop it out and like rub it on yourself, but I think this is so much less messy. Yeah, I really like this one, so we'll go with this first. And you just literally, your lips are quite dry at the moment, winter, so you just scrub it on. So the idea behind that is that it gets rid of all like the dead skin and it smooths out your lips, ready for lipstick application. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a wipe and rub that off. Let's try not to take off the rest of my makeup. Okay, so with the scrub all gone then, and my lips looking nice and red, maybe don't need any lipstick, I'm going to apply some of the Revolution Pro Prime and Perfect lip primer. So as you might be able to see, it goes on quite easily. It's not like a super shiny smooth one, you do have to kind of work it a little bit, but it's on there. We will now move on to this then, the Retro Luxe matte lip kit in the shade Peach Charming. Now inside then we get two products. We get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. Now I think I've tried a metallic one of these before, but I haven't tried any of the matte ones. And I love a matte lip, so it's crazy that I haven't tried it. Now what I will say is, as much as I love Revolution, which you know I do, I've never got along with any of their lip liners. I don't know if it's me, it's probably me, but I just tend to find that they snap nearly as soon as I put them on. Literally, I've tried just being so gentle, but every time they just go snap. No, no. So that's not ideal. That's not to say this one won't, but this one is still sealed in its wrapper, but it's just your standard pencil. I don't know why I'm really showing you that. Okie dokie, so I'll just take the seal off and we will get started. Okie dokie then guys, so I will take the lid off and show you. This is what it looks like inside. I think you're able to sharpen them. I hope so, because otherwise it's a lot of wasted product. But yeah, I kind of always have the issue that basically that whole triangular point just comes off. And it's kind of a nightmare. Let's see, I will try and be gentle and hopefully we'll be okay. My lips aren't too bad of a shape, to be honest, when it comes to needing to be lined. Goodness, my makeup's been on a while. It's not the best of poor days, guys. I'm so sorry. But anyway, let's just do this. It's really weird using like the viewfinder part of the camera instead of a mirror to do this. If I end up with a really weird lip shape, it's because I'm not used to doing it in this. Okay guys, so that is the lips lined then. And I didn't break it. This is the first time for everything. So yeah, super duper impressed with that. Okay then, the next step is to use the Revolution matte lipstick. So I'll show you what the applicator looks like. It's just your standard, you know, doe foot applicator. Nothing new there. So let's just give it a little go. It seems a lot lighter than the liner. I wasn't expecting it to be a lot lighter. Okay, so that's the matte liquid lip also applied. As you can see, it's not dried yet, so it's not actually matte. If you do go wrong when you put on your lip liner and your lipstick, and it's not like a dramatic like go wrong, you can go around with a little bit of concealer on a concealer brush just to kind of tidy up the lines and things, but I think we're okay for now. So we're not fully dried, but I do really like the colour so far. I think it's really nice. It's a good matte with like a peach kind of side to it, which would make sense since it's called Peach Charming. See there? No, I think it looks really nice and actually went on so easily. It doesn't feel drying, but we did do our prep steps where we scrubbed our lips and we applied the primer. So I'm really happy with that. I really like it. So my sister got me this for Christmas, so thank you very much, Hayley. Okie dokie then guys, that is the Retro Luxe matte lip kit. All tried out in the shade Peach Charming and I really like this. I super duper like it. The colour is absolutely fantastic. I didn't snap the lip liner. The matte lipstick went on really nice and it hasn't dried too dry, if you know what I mean. You know when you have like a matte lip on and it feels like your entire lips are just dry and awful. This doesn't, it feels comfortable, it's really nice. Perhaps that was helped by the little prep steps that I did beforehand where I scrubbed my lips and I applied the primer, so it has gone on nice and smooth. I'll link the information for all of these products down below in case anybody is interested. So guys, please remember to hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. It'd be fantastic to have you here. There's a giveaway running at the moment exclusively for subscribers, so make sure you're signed up. And until my next video, I will see you very soon. Bye guys.